Lasagna is one of the classics of Italian comfort food. If you're looking for a warm and cozy meal to make for your family and friends, look no further than this classic lasagna. Cook 1 pound of ground beef and 1 pound ground Italian sausage. Once it's nice and browned, drain and add in 1 16-ounce can of sliced mushrooms, teaspoon of garlic salt, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, a half teaspoon of dried thyme, a quarter teaspoon dried basil, and 4 15-ounce cans of tomato sauce. Season with salt and pepper and simmer for 30 minutes. If you have a great family recipe for meat sauce, feel free to use that instead to make this lasagna recipe your own. While your sauce is simmering, mix together 1 15-ounce container of ricotta cheese, 3 beaten eggs, and a 1/3 cup of Parmesan cheese in a bowl. Now we're ready to begin building those delicious lasagna layers. In a 9 by 13 inch baking dish, ladle enough sauce to cover the bottom in a thin layer, then lay down 3 lasagna noodles. Next, spread out a quarter of the ricotta mixture and a 1/3 of your pound of mozzarella cheese. Repeat twice with your meat sauce, pasta sheets, ricotta mixture, and mozzarella. Finish off with a layer of mozzarella and place in a 350-degree oven for about 90 minutes. Once it's out of the oven, wait 10 to 15 minutes before digging into this classic lasagna. While this is a traditional recipe, we would love to hear how you put your own spin on it. Leave a comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe.